We would like to finish our boost with our DCS control system shown on this architecture. You can see here our distributed redundant control system called 22750 pack. This controller offers you a native plug and play redundant system with hot swap I/O modules. The DCS here is fully integrated to the AVEVA system platform solution, allowing you to operate your plant easily and efficiently up to the database generation to analyze and to control your production for a better use of your assets. Finally, you can count on our knowledgeable global glass engineering team to work close to you during project execution and throughout the lifetime of your factory.